today. I actually don't know what we're playing because I didn't upload yesterday because I needed to do stuff and none of my games come up. Good way to start this video, you know. What game could I play? Let's just go on Defon, why not? Oh yeah, if I keep on doing this, because I'm trying to keep eye on my time, and if you take an attack in the background, it's just Glock. I was in the middle of Prince of Persia, just paused it, and if you can't tell, I'm just really tired. Yeah, we'll just go on random server. Hopefully we actually get to play. Okay, you might want to watch it because my name is still Sneaky Thief. The last time I played it says I don't know. Probably forgot. Oh, that's great, I'm murder. Everyone's gonna get domed. That did not go good. Okay. Just go. Just go. It's not gonna stab you or anything, is it? Well, it will a little bit. You walk straight into that, you little scary. And as soon as he lands a one. I totally did that on my own. Someone put yes when they're dead. I didn't actually mean to click that one. Okay, if that was laggy, it's laggy with me as well. But just make it, you stand on one of them. Holy. Haha. I did it. Yay. Murder again. Wait, as that guy left, I'm just gonna leave until I get like a server with a load of people. Check how much time we spent on that one thing. 2 million minutes. What was the chances of me being deaf again? Oh, it just gives. Oh wow. Wow, that guy is so bad. I got that. Yeah, it's me and this guy. Oh, I almost went straight off. Oh my god. Did it. Don't. Oh my gosh. All I needed to do is jump twice. Can't even do that, can I? Why does my guy seem bigger? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna make it. Oh my gosh, I made it still. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. I'm going to make it. He's gonna push me off. This button, please. Oh, he's dead. Well, yeah, I did it. Turn wheel. 4 minutes? We've got ages yet. you want me to stop doing the intros, check the camera, and I'll say enough by my voice. I don't know. Oh my gosh. What is that? What is that? He's like midway through a charm door. Who does that? Ah, that's still me. I can choose any different maps. You know what, as I can't be bothered, I just want to go on this map. You know. See? And partly I'm like deaf. So what's happened? Probably why. Everyone left. But I'm just gonna find a video with everyone. Just 10. Just 10. Oh, it was 10. So smart. To be honest, I don't even get this map. I'm just gonna run up there and just click a button. Ooh, what's this floating? No, I don't want to go in Ice World. Oh, come on. I'll play Ice World. I don't want to play Ice World. But this is the next round. We just get to keep on messing about. Oh, 6 minutes. You know what? You can actually make that jump. Yeah. This is boring now. If you want to see any more games, just tell me in the comments section. Because this game is getting boring. I'll do one more round and then I'll end the episode here. And for this one, I'm not even going to do my ending. I just cannot be bothered. I'm just like really tired and everything. This is late at night. It's just been a hard day's work. Jump! Must have already activated it. Oh, are you serious? I slipped off the edge. So annoying. As I said, I know. I'll do one more. There's a more. Well, that was that. Just before you go off of the video, I just want you to go punch that like button in the face. And today I'm just like really tired. I don't know why. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.